In this mini-series, we're going to be talking about the main differences between ThermaSkirt and underfloor heating. And in this video, we're going to be looking at installation. The installation of ThermaSkirt and underfloor heating is basically nothing alike. Underfloor is obviously fitted under the floor, and ThermaSkirt is an above ground emitter that replaces your skirting boards. So first of all, let's talk about energy source. Both ThermaSkirt and underfloor heating can work either from direct electricity or from water that's heated by a boiler or a heat pump. And that's pretty much where the similarities end. Underfloor heating is installed really early in the build program generally, either going down before the concrete is poured or being installed in between joists prior to the structural floor going down. Underfloor heating needs to plumb back to a central distribution manifold, which is normally located in a cupboard or behind a wall panel. The distribution manifold includes a mixing valve and a circulating pump, and that's to ensure that the water flowing through the underfloor heating doesn't exceed a certain flow temperature, normally 45 degrees C. If water does flow through underfloor heating completely unregulated, it can lead to concrete cracking or even tiles lifting or LVT losing adhesion. That's through to excessive expansion. ThermaSkirt, on the other hand, can plumb back to a manifold if you want full zoned room control, or it can plumb more like a traditional radiator with a 22mm primary flow and return branched off in 15mm. This minimises the overall installation costs, and it also simplifies all the plumbing, making it an ideal option for retrofit. If you are undergoing a complete renovation or a new build, you do need to consider how installing underfloor heating will affect the overall build program. When underfloor heating is being installed, it's generally completely off limits to other trades, as every single room needs to be emptied and all the pipework needs to be laid prior to the floor going down. This can prevent the overlap of trades and generally extend the build program because it's generally a more time-consuming install. ThermaSkirt is generally installed as a final fix item, so it can be fitted at any point from internal plasterboard, skim, mist coat or decoration, right the way through to final fix, cleaning and floor covering. Not only does that allow for a considerable overlap of trades, ThermaSkirt also eliminates the need to fit additional skirting boards, which removes the need for a joiner and a decorator, which does obviously impact the overall costs by bringing it down. Now, one advantage of being under the floor is that if you do get an installation that's a little bit messy, it will be hidden once concrete gets poured all over it. ThermaSkirt, on the other hand, is on show, so a poor quality installation can result in a poor quality finish. We always recommend watching our installation videos, following our guides, or using a recommended ThermaSkirt installer. If you want to find a recommended installer near you, check out our registered installers page and contact them directly from there.